Hi guys, welcome back to DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. Today we would be discussing the question that came in weekly contest 370 of Leetcode. Question number 1, find champion 1. So let's start. So let's start with reading the question. The question says there are n teams numbered from 0 to n minus 1. You are given a zero index 2D Boolean matrix grid of size n square for all I, j for this condition. Team I is stronger than J if grid Ij is equal to 1. Otherwise, Team J is stronger than I. Team A will be champion of the tournament if no Team B is stronger than A. Between the team that will be the champion. Okay. So now, first let's see what does the question mean. Sorry. Yes. The question says is, suppose I have numbers like 0, 1. These are teams 0, 0. Here you can see this is suppose team 0, this is suppose team 1. In team 0 you have 1 and here you have 0. So as many number of ones, the more number of ones in a team, the team will be victorious. Suppose team 0 has, so in this case team 0 has 1, 1, 1. So it will be victorious. Let's take the second condition where 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. You can see very clearly here that this team has the maximum number of 1. So this team will be victorious. So this is the question and we just have to give the index of the team. This is team number 1, index number 1. So let's see the approach. The approach is going to be very easy. Let me just get rid of all this. Okay, let me just get to the first condition itself, second condition. Yeah, this condition. Yes. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 0. What we can do is we can visit each and every team. Like I visit this team first and I would check how many ones this team has. Then I would visit this team. Then I would check how many ones does this team has. Then I would visit this team and I would check how many ones this team has. So simply we can see here the okay, the constants are up till 100. So you can use O of n square big O of n square time complexity. So you can implement two loops. So first we'll go to this team and we'll check how many number of ones are there. It's 1. Then we'll go to this team, 2 ones. And with this team, no ones. So this team is victorious. So I will show you the code. Yes, and I will make you understand. We implemented this loop so that we can travel to each and every team. We set the counter to 0. Then we implemented another loop so that we can travel to each element in a team. If any of the number is 1, then this 2 counter plus plus. Then I have taken another vector, just push in that counter number to that vector. Then I would find the maximum element. Like what I would do is my vector VP is equal to 1, 2, 0. Okay, for this condition. So I am pushing this in the vector VP in win team variable. What I would do is I would find the maximum element. This is the maximum element. Okay. Then I would use an iterator to find the location of this element. I can do it by help of loop also, but it's better to use STL because it increases the speed. So I use iterator to find out the location and I found it that 2 is here and I just returned it, this iterator minus vp dot begin. So what this does is it is the iterator because you can not just directly return iterator because it's a pointer. So I just subtracted vp dot begin from my iterator and it is returning integer now. And I will submit it. Let's see how it works. And you can see that it's accepted. So hope you understood this question. If yes, then do like this channel and subscribe to DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. With this, thanks for watching.